This is South Rockhampton's newest home. 1 Woolcock Street has just been completed. It is a brand new build with lots on offer. Today we'd like to take you through. Come on, let's have a look.
After walking by the modern cladded facade of this home, you're welcomed into a spacious open plan living with a kitchen that offers plenty of bench and walking space, as well as a butler's pantry. Throughout you have high ceilings, non-slip vinyl flooring, and wide walkways for comfortable living. The main bedroom features an ensuite with a his and hers vanity and walk-in wardrobe. Outside you have a low maintenance lawn space and a fire pit. 1 Woolcock Street is a fantastically designed home. If our team can help you own it, feel free to give us a call today.